good, YouTube? It's your boy Nino. You already know I'm back. I'm with a vlog today, man. We're going out. I gotta get this little dryer, I guess like switch or whatever. So definitely go with me to go check it out, see what I can find, and then put it together, fix my dryer. But yeah, I hope y'all having a blessed day. Alright, we back. So, yeah, the appliance still. Got some appliance. Gotta go get this stuff real quick. Let's see. They got what I need. Let's see. I need. Hello. About to go get me the piece. We chilling. We gonna get this dryer fixed. And that is the piece that we looking for, y'all.
Keep your dryer from cutting on.
Say it again.
You said to keep your dryer from cutting on.
Yeah.
You have an account with this one?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm recording for my YouTube.
Oh boy, not gonna be on YouTube.
If you want, I won't show you if you want it.
Look, you want something good for YouTube? Come sit up here during the day in the corner and just watch us. We had so much fun. $22.89. Yeah, you gotta have a sense of humor. Come on. Military?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a second. Hang on. What branch, man?
Army.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I've got one that's in the Navy, so.
Navy. That was my first choice, not gonna lie.
He's corpsman, so he went greenside and was attached to the Marine Corps.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
So he having fun.
You gotta make sure they stop eating them cold. $20.59.
All right, now that we got what we needed, we're gonna head back to the crib. Put this little thing on my dryer, and hopefully it'll work. It should work. It's the same exact piece. But yeah. They were cool peeps, man. They were cool peeps. We out. Catch y'all at the crib. Alright, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even home yet. I had to stop and get me some Popeyes, you know. Popeyes. Wait on my food now. And then I'll be home. On the way home, at least. I'm having a good day. I hope y'all having a good day, too. Yeah. Alright, right here, I was just working on it. Sorry, I ain't really, y'all can't hear me, but I was just talking about the pieces that I had to take apart. But that was really it. I mean, that's the switch. That's the old one I'm taking off right now. And then I'm gonna put the new one on. I did drop my little screw in the dryer, but it's not gonna affect it. It's just, that's the outside. So I dropped it down the outside part of the tumble or whatever you call this thing. But yeah. So right now I'm just I just replaced it, and I'm closing it up, turning it on, making sure it works. Well, screwing it back together, but I'm turning it on, make sure it works, make sure it heat up. And it was looking like it did, so we good right there. I appreciate y'all chilling with me today, you know, watching me fix something, you know what I'm saying? I told y'all I'm just be dropping some random stuff. If you want to see me fix up some more stuff, you know, let me know. Drop it in the comments. But enjoy y'all day again. Be safe. Be respectful to people that you meet. Give respect in order to receive respect. All right. At the end of the day, God bless y'all. Enjoy y'all day. I'm about to get ready to go out. Go to the lounge that my homegirl work at. You know, well, a couple of them work at, but I'm gonna chill, vibe, enjoy my night. Y'all be breezy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next, you know. Anything. Peace.